Hi, hello, welcome for the video lesson number 3 on memory improvement. I'm Sundaram, your marriage coach, parenting therapist, family therapist, and a friend from India. Welcome to How to Improve Memory in 10 Steps, and this is the video lesson number 3. Okay, video lesson number 3. Oh, did you remember what did the work we did in the last video? I told you to identify a metaphor for memory, visual memory. What is memory? Memory, as I had told you in the last session, is something or take the information, keep the information, and give the information. Okay, take the information, keep the information, give the information. And I wanted you to identify a metaphor. Metaphor is anything, any concept, any noun, which you can fit into this particular requirement. Friends, did anything come to your mind? No. Well, one of my clients has replied, and it was also in my mind, and I would say it is this spoon. Okay? With the help of this spoon, what we can do? We can take the jam, take the information, keep the information. I'm keeping it on the spoon and I can transfer it. I have transferred it. So memory is also like that. Take the information, keep the information, and transfer the information. If you are able to do all these three, then I think your memory management is excellent. Okay, so we'll use a spoon as a metaphor for memories. Now our focus today is, what is this visual memory? Visual memory is nothing but taking information visually, visual perception, storing it, and distributing it visually. How does it happen? Okay, some people call it a visual memory, photographic memory, right brain memory, creative memory, all are one. Okay, let us take this object. Light is coming and falling on this object, and the light is coming back to me. That means going light and coming light. This is a two-way process. Something has to go in. If there is a problem in the going light, I can't see it. Now, if there is a problem in the coming light, I can't see it. So memory, friends, you have to understand, it is a two-way information. It is not a one-way information. It is a two-way street. It is a two-way street. So this visual information is perceived, and it goes, the light travels inside the eye and it falls on a small screen called retina. You remember I was talking about there are memory operators. There are memory operators. There are two memory operators in the visual media. It's like a two spoons. One memory operator is called a cone cell. It's the form of a cone. One memory operator in the form of a cone. Another memory operator is in the form of a rod. What does the cone do? The cone cell, what it does is, it recognizes three primary colors, namely red, blue, and green. Okay, and it creates a picture, and the contrast colors are absorbed by this. So both the cone and the rod has to work together like husband and wife. Then only visual information is strongly processed. Visual information is very strongly processed in the child or in the human being. Okay. So let me tell you, I will give you an example. You ask your child to go ask a child, you go to the Royal Mall and get me an ice cream cup. What the child will do, this is the story of a visual person, the child will go and it will get you the ice cream cup. But it has got from some other mall. Why? Because you have to understand, when you are using that word, what is that word? You are asking, go to the Royal Mall. Go to the Royal Mall, sorry, some diffusion is there, yeah. Go to the Royal Mall, Royal Mall and get me the ice cream cup. Royal Mall and there are two pictures. One picture is the Royal Mall picture, another picture is the ice cream cup picture. Okay. The child records this picture. Photographic memory is nothing but the pictorial memories. Okay. Sometimes what happens, whatever the picture is stored in their mind, that only they will pick up. I know a case of a mother. You know what the mother told? You go to the medical store and get me a glucose packet. Okay, you get me a glucose packet. But please don't get me Glucon-D brand. Don't get me Glucon-D brand. The child went and there forgot and asked for, as usual, Glucon-D brand. It bought Glucon-D. Because it remembers that it stores the information in the form of pictures. The child stores information in the form of pictures. These are called visual learners. These are called visual learners. You know what are visual learners? They have short-term memories. They are little indisciplined. They keep on hopping, experimenting, sometimes this, sometimes that. And they are very energetic, enthusiastic. And in that process, they do impulsive work and they enter into wrong career choices. Wrong career choices. They make a wrong career choice. Then let me tell you, a case came to me, a visual person, and the mother says, my son is very excellent, very sharp in talking, very intelligent in gift of the gab, he can remember anything. You remember that meeting, where the president talked, the secretary talked, everything he remembers. At Phat he is the first to answer, but he could not write the examination. And the teacher says, a very good student, okay, and he just focused on the classroom, on the teacher, but I don't know why he is not able to score. He asked the child, doctor, I prepared the whole night, but when I took the paper and about to write, everything became blank in my mind. Everything became blank in my mind. Because short-term memories. Okay, they cannot retain the information for long term. They cannot retain this information for long term. These are the visual learners. These people, they do not know why they are failing. They do not know why they are failing. They put so much of effort and the results is very, very tiny. They put a double the effort, triple the effort, but ultimately the results are tiny. And these people are generally considered very creative. And they are very quick in talking, A case came to me. I asked him what is the spelling of butter. He told B-U-T-T-E-R. Okay, then I asked him what is the spelling of water. W-A-T-T-E-R. Why? They are in a hurry to complete. They are quick to complete, These people are called, they are the people who spring whenever an opportunity is there. They are quick to respond. Okay, they grab the opportunity. Oh, I want to do it first. but results reverse. And they enter wrong choices. The mothers do not know, the child do not know. Okay, and they enter very wrong professions. And these people are very poor in logic, poor in mathematics, poor in analysis. Okay, because these people are called right brain memory. People have got right brain memory. So, what profession to choose? How you can help? Okay. Generally, I identify these visual people. I do a small experiment. What do I do? No? I put a sort of pen here. Okay, I put a pen here and I ask the client to close their eyes. Okay, take a deep breath. Now open your eyes. Scan me from top to bottom. Once he sees from top to bottom, then I ask him close your eyes. Then afterwards, what I do is I put it like this. And I ask him to open the eyes and ask him to, now you scan me and tell the difference. He says, okay, so no difference. I asked the mother, what happened? The mother says, you have changed the pen angle. That means his visual memory is very, very poor. When the visual memory is very poor, you have to increase the visual sense, because please understand, memory development is a skill. You have to develop all the 5 essential memories, and how we talk about afterwards. So you can ask as a parent, or as you can do one thing, that is you can ask them to observe a lot of cartoons, symbols, make mind maps, and we got something like a 3-step exercise. 3-step exercise is first close your eyes, relax, and then make the object, see the object. Second step. Third thing is reinforce the object in your mental screen 3 or 4 times. This you can go to my blog, mentorsundaramblog.com. There I have wrote about it. And the parents can also help. Please don't blame the kid. Okay, a person who is strong in visual memory need not be strong in the other memories. So you should know as a parent or as a student which memory is strong. Either you should know how to use it, or you should know how to strengthen the poor sensory memories. For more information, please go to my website. And today you have learnt us visual memories. Okay, the memory which are resigned by visual information. And what I want you is, yes, if you like this, okay, video, please pass it on to others, and they'll be very grateful to you. About 6-7 years ago, I passed on one video to one of my family friends. Even I forgot that. And that parents, that mother called me and told me, thank you very much. That was a very, very powerful video. And that was, I think, something on NLP at that time. I was beginning my career in NLP at that time. And she has been seeing this video often, and she has understood the same video better and better. And she told, thank you very much for sending the video. I am modeling my son's career only on this particular video. Thanks for that, and thanks a lot for listening. We'll meet in the next video session.